Friends, welcome to the next Tableau demonstration. So the previous video I have asked about you to download and install Tableau desktop edition, that is public edition, where you have very limited features which I have shown you. So what I have done, I have downloaded the trial version for a few days, like it's 14 days. I have downloaded trial version which I have shown you in the first video. You can see here I have installed even the trial license that is expiring in 40 days. On the top left hand side you can see here, and you can see here we have the several options like connect to the server. If you click more, you can see there are a lot of servers are there which you can connect with the Tableau, and you can practice the data visualization, or you can analyze that everything. So there are almost 70 the database included in that, but Tableau desktop public edition you have only very less option. Even you can see that to server, and some data source are also there. So this is the things difference between your Tableau desktop edition and your you can say that the public edition and the trial version or license version. So license version will be having the same features what we are seeing over here. Okay, so very big question in mind, why we are going with the Tableau. What is the use of practicing or using this application in the industry? So the thing is that nothing is all automated system. It's one click application, and you can do much more easier, better than the Microsoft Excel. So if you look at any business analytic company, this every business company they uses Microsoft Excel as a tool to analyze their business growth rate. So I'll just show you that same performance I'm going to do in the Tableau as well as Microsoft Excel, and you will learn that how the difference. So first today I'm going to demonstrate only in Excel. So hope you all remember that I have told you about to download the sample data source. If you guys have not downloaded the sample data source, even you can create by your own, it's totally up to you. But data sets are here, some of the demos. So you can just log into the public tableau.com, and you can see here we have something called learn, and in learn you have something called sample data. So I'll just go there, and you can see that there are business category, entertainment category, sports category, public data, educations, government, science, lifestyle, technology, health. There are several different categories of data sources are available here. So what you're going to do, you can use any data source and you can practice with that. So what I'm going to do, I have downloaded this data set of super. You can see here I have downloaded and I have opened. This is the data source where you can see we have three different sheets like order, return, and people. So generally when you create any database, these are the three tables will be there. So here we have in the form of sheet, right? So just you can see the column header is there, right? So this entire details are there, right? Now the business analysis, how it happened. So this is the entire data, right? I want to create some chart, right? Either pie chart, bar chart. How I can do that in Excel? So every business I want to analyze how much the growth is there, what is the total profit we have earned, so how many order has been shipped in a day, how many order has been ordered, the customer belongs to which state, which country. So this all XYZ details you can explore, right, with the analysis only, and it's all effect. That means you can, any organization can enhance their productivity by analyzing this. So what I am going to do, I'll just select this entire, you can see here I have till profit. I'll just select, there are so many data are there. Okay, I'm not going to select the entire data sets. I'll just go for some 100. Okay, I'll just select some 100 or 50. Okay, I'm selecting only some 50 data set. Okay, so I have taken some 51 data set. Okay, so now I want to create a pivot table for this. So if you know very well expert in Microsoft Excel, then you can use it and not require even Tableau. But Tableau, because the technology getting enhanced, you have the different kind of software. You can just import and you can do by just drag and drop. So no need to write the code in the Excel. That is the thing, the benefit in the Tableau software, you can say that. Okay, so you have selected. So I want to make this pivot table and then I will make it chart, right? So what I'll do, first I've selected. You can see on the top you have insert menu. Okay, so you can see here on the top we have something called as insert menu. Okay, make sure your this table is selected. So you click on insert. Okay, so I have selected this and I've just clicked on insert. You can see here on the left hand side we have first pivot table. So what you are going to do, so you have two options, from the table or range or from the external data source. So that's what I said, that's what the Tableau will do. I will demonstrate that. So I'll just click on the first one, from table or range, because already I have selected. The moment you open, you can see that here we have something that, okay, so we have something here that is order the table rows, the order $A, $1, colon, $U, $51. So A1 to 51, the entire rows and column I'm taking, and with help of this I am going to create a new worksheet and will create a pivot table from this range. So I'll just click on OK. The moment you click on OK, okay, so you can see here automatically this pivot table chart table will be created. Another sheet, you have the option like drop filters, rows fields, and drop values. And you can see on the right hand side you have all the fields. So pivot table fields, then you have all the column header ID which we have used here in the Excel sheet. And you can see below, just if you scroll, you can see here the drag fields between area below and filter column rows values. So suppose you want to know that the total number of customer, okay, so I want in column the customer, and I want to know that what is their this total sales or total discount or total profit from that particular. Okay, so shipment date, row IDs, you can see everything. So I want the customer name and what is their order date. If you want to demonstrate, just you take this anything, whatever you want, either sales, you want to check the sales for the particular customer, just select this and just drag into the value. The moment you drag, you can see on the left hand side automatically display the sum of sales from the total customer. Okay, and this is the customer name, 55.5 some values, and every customer it is there, right? So you can see the entire details. Even if you want to change only like select country wise, then what you are going to do, select country, sorry, you can just click on country. So you can see here what happened. So you can see here even country now is appearing and the customer name. So like this you can fetch several details. If I want the total profit also, so you just click on that and this profit in the values. So see what happened, this cannot be placed into the area report. That is wrong what you are doing. So it should be always here only, right? So depend on that your requirement, you can fit this and you can just analyze this. So this is the what I have done, that is just created a pivot table. Now based on this I have to create a chart on it. So you have to go to the insert only, pivot table is created, and you can see here there are several charts are available, right? So you can click any charts like 2D column. I'll just click on that, anyone. You can see that I have the total details here that showing me that the from United States. Okay, so what is the total sum of sale and what is the social sum of profit, and the colors indicate for each color for the particular customer sum of sales and sum of profit. So you can see that, right? So where the profit is down, even it's displaying that this is the profit is down. And even you can click here, if you want selected just filter, even you can use the filter. When you want to sort A to Z, you can see that automatically it will sort A to Z. Even if you want, like let's see sort Z to A. Okay, so you can see here sort Z to A. So these features we have in Excel. So if you know very well in Excel command and Excel utilization, the business intelligence, the business decision support system, the entire the idea, the business analysis, everything works on this Excel sheet. So the same way we have here several options. It's not the only limited to this. I am not going to demonstrate about Excel. I just want to in brief why we are going through the learning for the Tableau. So here what we have done, we have drag and drop, we have used Excel created, right, and we have selected. So the sum like that, some click the button, that's the functionality we have in the button. No need to form the query, right? The script here, you're not going to write any script here in the Tableau. In Excel you have to write the script, you have to write the code. There is a coding also in the Excel. Hope you're aware for that. So that's all for this, and same features I will demonstrate you using the Tableau software, and that will be next session. So I don't want the video to be very long, so when you will get bored, I try as much as possible that the video will be shorter. Sometimes might be possibilities long time duration also it will be there. So that's all for today, and if you really like if you like this video, if you're really interesting to learn, so please give your support and click on the like button, and also must subscribe for the coming videos. And if you like, you can share with your friends to learn about the Tableau. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.